Hi guys, I'm Sujita and today I'm just going to share the video about my balcony garden
And here is my pet Dolly. She also wants to say hi. I also shared some of my pet Dolly's video. Please do watch. And without wasting much time, we just begin the video. Here, some of my plants I just kept it in the shade. Tulsi and this flowering plant. Most of the plants are indoor plant, and this red foliage is supposed to be keep it out in the shade. It needs that bright light, not a strong light, at least indirect sunlight it required. And especially for this plant, I just propagated with from small cutting. One of my friend has given me the cutting. I just cut it into 4 pieces. On the node, I have to cut, and I put it in directly into the soil. I kept this plant in my kitchen so that I can observe that, and it's like humid weather and it's need more water on and off. I just sprinkle the water since till it gets the actual root. So this is another cutting. I put it in the another pot. This is another variety. This is also for propagation. This is a plumeria, and there is a snake plant and jade. This one pot I just club all other small tiny succulent varieties. I put it into the same pot. It looks pretty now. And this is one small very old ladder. I just using it for my plants. It was lying for a long time. And this is very cute cacti, small cacti, succulents, and there is a tangled heart plants also is there. And jade is also growing so well because of the rain. Now the weather is also pleasant. This is that turtle vine. I really like this plant. It's very easy to grow. And one more tangled heart I just propagated.
this ladder looks very simple and elegant because I like the way it is. I didn't paint it much. It gives
And this is another turtle vine plant. It's very easy to propagate and nicely it grows. Within a month it will become bushier. This is actually my balcony. There is very sunny, and I can't just keep the plant down, so that I arrange this kind of floating shelf. So all other plants which need more sunlight, I just kept some all these plants on the floating shelf. These plants actually need of direct sunlight, so they grow, they enjoy the sun. Look at this purple purple tiny flower. And here too, spider plant is also doing well. I love this flower. It's very cute it is. So if you don't have enough space, you can also have a floating shelf like this. It looks very good. And here there is a ladder. Here you could see my surrounding of my house, surrounded by so much of hill and greens. This, as everyone knows, ajwain is a spike plant. This is some kind of a patta. I don't remember what is that. And this is again succulent, and this is a holy basil. And I just love this flower. Once I get up in the morning, I directly come to this balcony and see the plants. I love this. This is also indoor, and in the shade also it does well. This is this foliage, the red foliage. This is actually the ajwain variety, but it's a variegated one. I just love this. This is also the propagation one. This is again is backside of my house. There is one more balcony I got. So this a plumeria I have kept, and this rose, curry patta, curry leaf, rubber plant. You don't believe rubber plant was not doing much good, didn't give any new growth. I have put so much of homemade manure and all. Now it was so nicely growing. you want more tips, please subscribe my channel and please support me. I'll come up with many ideas and I'll post what are the manure I put it for my plants for their better growth. This is kind of a fern variety, foxtail fern it is, and this is an Aurelia plant. I just love this Aurelia leaf. It's very nice and beautiful. Again, I have kept that floating shelf here. Some of the indoor plants vagera I have kept it on the. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe and like. Thank you.